Hello, I'm going to take you through how you can download AdBlock on Google Chrome. So this is what we are going to do. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome. Now on Google Chrome, what we are going to do is we are going to search for what? Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store. I'm also going to put the link in the description so you can access it in case you don't see it. So you see the official website of Chrome Web Store.google.com. So you click on it. Now it takes you to your Chrome Web Store. Now, when you get to their web store, what you want to do, you want to search for what? AdBlock. So AdBlock. Once you search for AdBlock, I think I spelled it wrong. So let me just respell it again. Okay, so once you search for AdBlock, you are going to see the list of AdBlocks that you have here. Now, this is the one that we are looking for. So I'm going to click on this. Now, when you click on this, you can see this is having about 61 million users, and you can also see the ratings here. Also, you can see it's also featured as well. So this is the one we want. So what I'm going to do, I will first want to open a website that have what ads, so we can see if it actually works after installing. So you can see once I open this website here, I have a lot of ads showing up here. So we are going to see when we install if these ads will not pop up right after installing. So I'll get back here and I'm going to click on what? Add to Chrome right here. So yes, you want to go ahead and add extension. Now what it's going to do is it's going to download the extension for you. So you can see downloading right here. So you want to wait for it to go ahead and finish downloading. Now it will download. Once it's done downloading, to install for you on its own. So you can see this circle is also going around, which means it's installing by default for you. So we just go ahead and wait for some time for it to finish installing for us. All right, so you can see installation is done here. Now you have your extension right here. So when you go to your list of extension, you can have the extension here. So what you want to do is you want to pin it here so that you can easily have access to it. Now it's also going to open this page for you here, asking you to what complete purchase and all that. So yeah, you can go ahead and leave it. It's not, you can go ahead and leave it. You can still use it without it. So we'll get back to our AdBlock here. Once again, let me get back to this website. Now when you come to your Chrome extension here, you have the option to what? Pin it here. So you want to pin it here so that anytime you go to a website, you see it right here. If I will pin it here, you can see it's not accessible unless you click on what? Your extensions before you can have them right here. But if you want it to show as an icon where it's easier to click here, when you go to the extensions, you just have to pin it so it comes right here. So I'm going to what? Refresh this site right here. Now when I refresh, you can see what it has blocked 40 ads for me. So I'm not seeing any ads. Those ads that I was seeing initially, I'm not seeing those ads again here. So now let's say maybe you are on a site where you don't want to block the ads. You are okay with the ads on the site. You just have to click on the Chrome extension. Now it's telling you that what on this page you have 14 ad blocks on this page and you have 28 in total. So in case you want to pause, you can just go ahead and pause on this site. So once you click on pause on this side, it's going to want to refresh. You can see the ads are now showing again here. So if you want to unpause, you just come here on pause ad here. It will refresh, then you can see the ads has been blocked again. You can see the total number of ads being blocked here are right here. So wow, so this is how we install what? AdBlocker on what? Google Chrome Web Store. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in another video.